Could this be Samsung's next big innovation? Leaks suggest Samsung's upcoming foldable phone, potentially named the Galaxy G Fold, could be a game changer. The competition in the foldable phone market is heating up, and here's why. Recently uncovered animations within Samsung's One UI 8 update reveal exciting details about their new multi-form device. But here's where it gets controversial. This new device sports a dual-hinge mechanism, potentially allowing for groundbreaking flexibility in how users interact with the screen. Could this new design surpass existing foldables? According to Android Authority, this device might be christened the Galaxy G Fold, although the animations suggest it might officially be referred to as the Multifold 7. This mysterious product was hinted at during Samsung's January Unpacked event, showcasing a design with 3 screens that perfectly matches the leaked visuals. And this is the part most people miss. When viewed in its fully unfolded state, the Galaxy G Fold presents a sizable rear panel that houses a triple camera array. Additionally, the central panel seems designed as a cover display, complete with a front camera accessible even when the device is folded. This is innovative because it offers effective usability whether the device is folded or opened. Interestingly, the design employs 2 hinges of different sizes, which could revolutionize how the screens fold and stack. However, users are cautioned not to fold the right-hand panel first to prevent damage to the camera module or to maintain the integrity of the folding mechanism. What do you think about Samsung's approach to foldable phones? Are the multiple display panels a breakthrough or a potential vulnerability? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, while the Galaxy G Fold's unique folding mechanism shows promise, only time will reveal how durable and user-friendly this design proves to be.